Welcome back to the Blackwell project, where the transformation is now complete.
I keep coming back. Ooh, I don't know why. I don't know why. Oh yeah, feel it pulling me back.
So they started off with a really awkward space with too many doors and a layout that just did not work for them. We have totally changed that around now with the walls out, doors in new positions and the new kitchen fitted. I'm starting off in what was their small old dining room, and now is this huge open plan living kitchen diner with this massive island, their integrated fridge freezers and their cooker tap. Installed in their island is their Borer downdraft extractor hob, and then behind me are their Bosch integrated ovens. And now we're back to their existing kitchen, which is now their kids' playroom, along with their new storage towers that match into their kitchen. So if you want to have a home renovation just like this, please get in touch with Plum Kitchens.